Hello everyone, this is VU3CQM. Today let us see how to use MMDVM hotspot with BlueDV application running on an Android phone. For this, we need a MMDVM hotspot, a USB to serial converter and a HC05 Bluetooth module. Make connections as shown. All instructions are given in my GitHub page. Serial converters COM port can be found from Device Manager. Let's download Teratom application. Unzip the folder and start termpro.exe. Select the correct COM port and click OK. Go to Setup and select Terminal. Select the options as shown. Again, go to Setup and select Serial Port. Change baud rate to 38400. Follow the instructions and configure the Bluetooth module. Now let's configure the Android app. Enter your call sign. This frequency should match the frequency programmed in your radio. We need to adjust RX and TX offset for the lowest bitrate error. Select BM server and enter BM password. Select RX TX colors to see change the display while receiving and transmitting. Radio type as DB Mega. Select Submit to save all settings. As we know, MMDVM board works on 3.3 volts and Bluetooth module needs 5 volts. To make them work together, let's build a power supply circuit on a breadboard. Victor Inform 3, Charlie Cubic mic with a mic test 1 2 3 3 2 1. Victor Inform 3, Charlie Cubic mic with a mic test 1 2 3 3 2 1. This is the baseboard we used in the last video for connecting MMDVM to PC. I have added Bluetooth module option to it.
First guy and the DMR, so okay, good content, and usually it's very good. Good sound and good signal, good sound, good audio, good speech, good
VU3 Charlie Cubic mic with the mic test.
The Victor Uniform Station concerning the mic test. Loud and clear. Sounds perfect to my ears. VO2PL.
Delta Oscar 2 Bravo Lima Victor Inform 3 Charlie Cubic mic. Thank you for returning 73s. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you 73s for now.